know your pain. I know you're hurt. We had an election that was stolen from us. It was a landslide election, and everyone knows it, especially the other side. But you have to go home now. We have to have peace. We have to have law and order. We have to respect our great people in law and order. We don't want anybody hurt. It's a very tough period of time. There's never been a time like this where such a thing happened, where they could take it away from all of us, from me, from you, from our country. This was a fraudulent election, but we can't play into the hands of these people. We have to have peace. So go home. We love you. You're very special. You've seen what happens. You see the way others are treated that are so bad and so evil. I know how you feel. But go home and go home in peace.
We use normal laptop and normal microphone to make the sound recording, including the wireless earbuds microphone sound and the wireless earbuds speaker sound. Therefore, the recording might not be very perfect. When you use the wireless earbuds by yourself, the sound quality, including the wireless earbuds microphone sound, is far better. As you know, there is sound loss when you make sound recording, even you use the professional recording equipment. Needless to say, we use the normal laptop and the normal microphone to make the sound recording. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications so you won't miss our next excellent products. Thank you for your watching. I will see you in our next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.